We're vlogging.
Matcha, spinach,
Feta.
what? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Chloe for those of you who don't know me, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel and welcome Keira. Okay guys, so this is gonna be kind of sad, but I realized today that I have not left the house in how long here? Like
a week and a half?
Probably a week and a half. Like since I moved back from Waterloo, I have not left the house since December 22nd and it's January 3rd. So yeah, today Keira and I are about to head out and go and just, you know, drive around a bit. So in case you guys didn't know, we are back in lockdown again. Ontario and surrounding cities. Do you think all of
It's all of Ontario.
Yeah, all of Ontario, I guess, is in lockdown after Boxing Day. So we really haven't had anywhere that we needed to go, but you know, it's probably still good that I breathe air outside of the house. So we are going out right now. We're gonna go see how long the Starbucks line is so we can get some lattes. But honestly guys, the Starbucks by our house, the line is insane. We'll try our luck right now and go see, but yeah, otherwise we're just gonna go for a little ride around the countryside. Probably not the best weather to be driving around in. It like snowed probably like 10-15 centimeters, but we're in the Jeep, so let's go. Guys, I haven't drove in so long. This feels so weird. Woohoo! Look how pretty it is outside. There's a lot of cars on the street right now for lockdown. Where are you going? Okay guys, we are in this lineup right now. It is not horrible. It is probably like a 10-15 minute wait. We have absolutely nothing else to do today, so we'll wait and see how it is. Good old Guelph, Ontario. Glad to be back. I'm actually moving back though guys. I think next weekend. I'll probably stay like another week in Guelph and then go back. Mel and I and Chara all have our lease in Waterloo for another 4 months. So yeah.
Welcome to Starbucks. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay. What can I get started?
Could I just get 2 grande iced matcha green tea lattes, please?
2 grande iced matcha lattes.
Yes, please.
Is there anything else I can grab for you?
That's everything, thank you.
Do you need a straw?
Do you want a straw?
No thanks.
No, thank you. Save the totos.
Save your totos.
You okay? We're good.
What are you guys doing? We're vlogging.
Okay guys, so we got our matcha green lattes. The barista was so sweet.
Yeah.
She was so nice. She's like, what do you guys do? Like, we're vlogging. She's like, hi. love that energy. What better to go with some green matcha than let's go get some spinach croissants. Cobb's bread. Secured the croissants. They have them?
Yeah.
Yay!
Cheers.
Yeah.
And it's not like super sweet either.
It's good.
Dark down.
Oh, yummy.
Cheers.
It's good, right? Matcha, spinach,
Feta.
what? Yummy. Okay guys, so we're gonna eat croissants, we're gonna drink our lattes, and we're gonna go drive around. Something we love to do is just going out into like the countryside and looking at like the big beautiful houses, just driving around new neighborhoods. And yeah, we both like really like houses. Keira's mom's a real estate agent. I've been into real estate since I was in grade 4, I think, so I don't know if it's weird or not, but we just love and going looking at new houses and architecture and all that stuff. So we're gonna go drive right now. Hey guys, okay, so it has been a couple of weeks since I last vlogged. In that time, I did get bangs. I hopped on the trend, guys, and decided to get kind of like curtain bangs slash, I don't really know, like side bangs. I haven't had bangs, I think, since I was in like grade 9, maybe like grade 8 when like side bangs were a thing, and everybody made fun of me because I rocked the trend for too long. But anyways, I decided to get them back. I've had the same hairstyle probably for like 3 or 4 years now, so I just felt like a change. I like them. When I decide I don't want them anymore, I'm probably gonna have to go through that awkward stage of like growing them out, but that's fine. Besides that, guys, not a lot in my life has changed. I haven't really been vlogging that much for for the last month just because we are in lockdown. I have spent almost every single day at home. I have pretty much been home the last couple of weeks, which means that I haven't really been doing a lot of stuff to film for you guys. But this weekend I do plan on filming a couple of videos. I'm gonna do probably like some hauls. Maybe I'll do like a morning routine or something. But yeah, my goal is to try and get a bit more content out for February. If you guys have any specific videos that you'd really like to see, just comment down below. I'd love to know what you guys want to watch. My favorite things to film are like travel videos and vacation vlogs, but obviously I can't do that right now because we're not going anywhere. This is our cat Tiger. She's just chilling here with me. I will try and do some like easy cooking vlogs. I'm trying to eat pescatarian right now. I'm just slowly trying to cut out meat. So maybe I will do some cooking vlogs for you guys. I'm not going like hardcore pescatarian, but making the choice to eat like vegetarian, pescatarian, or vegan when I can. Oh, Tiger is sneaking out of the room. She does not want to be in the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.